As it's charging, we'll reverse over it. Go, go, go! This is going to be a review of the Zendure external battery pack, extreme durability. This is sent to me from this company. It did say in their manual, it's so durable it can be run over, but please don't test it at home. And I thought, if you're sending me something to review, I'm going to review it properly. So please don't test this at home if you purchase this, but you can get this off Amazon. The links will be below. I've got to say though, it's been run over a few times. I've ran this over a few times. Let's go to the close-up unboxing, come back, and you can watch it being ran over. Here we go with this review of this Zendure. It's external battery charger. It's a 3rd gen type USB-C input and output, and it does do fast charging as well. So let's just have a look at the box. Here's the bottom. Extremely durable. Like I say there, it's got the input and the output, and it's got some premium cells. It's nicely packaged. Tells you all the stuff it can charge. It's a portable battery power pack that does do fast charging and is durable, and it's USB type C. And just to show, there's the power bank there, and on me this is a Galaxy S8, I think. Yeah, there we go, fast charging. Plugged into that, so it does confirm it does do fast charging. That's a little bit about it. Let's have a look at the inside. It's got a little thingy that says open. We open that, pings out like this. Let's take this out of here. Yeah, it's got a little flap on this as well, so you can see it, have a look in there and have a look at it. Take this out, we don't need the box. It does come well boxed. It's got another little thing there that says open. In here it's just does come with a charging cable. It is going to be a USB type C one, like so. That's the charger there. Let's see what else we get in here. Another little box here. You get some fancy little stickers if you want them. 18-month manufacturer warranty. It's there if you want it. You do get a little patch for it. Nice little patch for your little battery charger, and you get some information. You get your little instruction manual. It's 10,000 mAh. I don't know if I said that at the start, but it is 10,000 mAh. This is the bit I wanted to show. This was sent to me from Zendure to test, and it says durability. Although the blah blah blah, the battery is designed to be extremely durable and it can be run over by a car in our test. Please do not attempt to stage your own durability test. Let's have a look at that. So here we are with this Zendure power thing that the manual did state that they have to run it over and test. Due to this company sending me this, I am going to run this over and see what happens. We're going to stop halfway as well. Here's a car under the wheel. It blows up now, it blows up. Alright, Lou, go forward a little bit. Where? Go on. Stop. No, forward a bit more. Stop. So it is, the car is fully, so it is completely under a car. Completely under. Let's get a phone, see if we can charge this. Here's a phone. And it's charging. It's charging there. Messages pop up as well, but it confirmed it is charging. It's on top of a car. Go forward, Luke. Stop. And there it is. That has been run over by a car. Still feels pretty solid. Might as well reverse over it as well. As it's charging, we'll reverse over it. Go, go, go. Go on all the way. Stop. Just again, because sometimes the fast charging takes a second to come on. The fast charging is on. The battery is there for the third time. Let's run over it. Go forward, Luke. Still charging. But take that. Hi, Lou. So this is the battery charger here. It is really well made. It's not overly heavy as well. It does feel solid. Got a little button here, can tell you how much it's charged. This one's fully charged. It's got a nice rubberized bit around the outside. All around the outside's got rubberized. So if you want to charge it up, plug it in like that. You plug that into a source, a plug or something, or your computer or whatever, your laptop, and you can charge your item up. If you want to charge an item, you plug it in like so. You don't need to press the button, that's just to test your battery power left, and you can plug that into an item. You don't have to use USB-C. If you want, you can put your own wire in there without a USB-C bit on it. Charge your iPhones or whatever, but that's the Zendure power bank. Durability at its finest. Well, as you could see in that bit, it has been run over. What was it, 3 or 4 times I've ran this over. Still works like a champ. I'm so impressed with this. There is a few little this side was on the concrete. There's a few little stone dent, but that's it. There's no cracks, there's no damages, nothing's loose. Still got what we've got now. Still got 4 whatever it is of power, 100% left or whatever it is. I'm not saying running over is going to drain the battery, but it did no damage. There's a few cosmetic little dents that you can probably only just about make out on the side that was on the concrete. The phone was charging fast charge as it was being run over, which is unbelievable. Like I say, thanks to this company for letting me test their durability of their product. Don't test that at home. It needs to be in a controlled environment, and controlled, I mean, there needs to be safety measures in place, because you never know. But you can guaranteed from me, this can be run over and it works perfectly well. Like I say, the links to this below are from Amazon. Thank you to this company for sending me it and letting me test it. Absolutely brilliant product. I'm happy to test any of their products. They want to be tested because I know this works, and it does do fast charging on one of these, which I ain't got one that does fast charging on the micro USB-C or whatever that thing's called. Brilliant. Links are all below if you want to buy it, or if you just want to have a look at some more information, that will be below.